is observed as Swatchata in memory of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. As a part of this initiative, St. Thomas High Secondary School today observed this day. The NSS and YRC coordinators planned the whole program. All students and staff members, both teaching, non-teaching, were involved in the program. I would like to thank the teaching, non-teaching staff and all our students. Around 382 students of high secondary participated very enthusiastically. They were provided with implements, gloves, but many of them were ready to soil their hands, to show their love for manual work, and also as a part of service to the community and the environment.